What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Exynos 9825, 8GB of RAM versus 12. Both of these phones have a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Redmi K20 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Exynos 9825 CPU and the Mali T76 GPU and 12GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the K20 Pro wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus wins by 3 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the K20 Pro won by 1 point. In round 2, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus won by 3 points. As for the price difference, the K20 Pro cost less than half the price of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But having said that, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a much better phone overall. Just to name a few things, it's got a bigger and a better Quad HD AMOLED display, USB 3.1, stereo speakers, micro SD support, a better camera, and so on. But for the price, you really can't go wrong for the Redmi K20 Pro. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am planning to get the OnePlus 7T and the 7T Pro, and there will be comparison videos, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.